that.
Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal on Friday said the power scenario in the state is much improved now. Speaking to reporters, he said that the state is in a better position and it is for this reason that the power cut hours has been reduced. Stating that load shedding in Shillong has been reduced to 2 hours only, Mondal said the power cut elsewhere in the state is for 3 hours. Some areas are experiencing more than 3 hours of load shedding due to maintenance work, he added.
Our scenario as of now, we are quite comfortable. You must have seen that entire country is reeling under power crisis. Even our neighboring states are also facing the heat. As far we are concerned, as of now, we are very comfortable. We have decided that only 2 hours power cut will be there in the major towns, and rest of the state will have only 3 hours power cut. Of course, in some pockets or some areas, there may be more than that because of shutdown required for maintenance work.
The state government has done